In the category of roof foam under 40,000 square feet, the 2019 nominees are West Roofing Systems Incorporated for the John Muir Elementary project. Built to last, the beautiful slate roof had done its job for nearly 90 years. Although great aesthetically, old slate shingles are not safe to walk on, and with ACRM present in the substrate felt, disturbing the condition was not acceptable. The application of spray polyurethane foam to maintain the aesthetics of this highly visible historic building had to be as smooth and uniform as possible. Accessed from an 85-foot man lift, positioning and moving at the correct speed and direction for a continuous, smooth application was very challenging. Sealed, insulated, and looking great, the school is ready for the next 100 years. Installers: Caleb Wagner, Ryan Starcher, Rick Porter, PCP Master Installer Frank Cruz, and PCP Project Manager Jack Moore. The winner of the SPFA National Industry Excellence Award for 2019 in roofs under 40,000 square feet is West Roofing. This is West Roofing Systems' 6th win in this category. West previously won in this category in 2012. Traditional solutions to the slate roof replacement were over twice as much as the cost for the SPF roof system. In addition to the project savings, the Director of Buildings and Grounds is anticipating a significant reduction in his heating costs, as there was no insulation in the existing roof system or proposed alternatives. Additional special consideration needed to be given to eliminate visible pass lines, creating a monolithic blanket of granule application over the top coat.